Hello dear friends, I have a banana, so I want to make a banana cake with nuts and some pecan nuts. From what I have experienced, the pecan nuts is very soft, and just put it baking like this does not taste very tasty. It needs to come out the taste. So I am heating up the oven at the same time. I put this one to roast it a little bit. So when 5 minutes or something, I do not know how long, but I see it getting a little bit roasted, has more flavor. I will take it out. Good. Put in. Now we will work on the banana. Sorry. So we have banana and yes, I need my tool. I am sorry. Okay. I will work on the sink. I saw one video comment. One friend said he or she saw me working on the sink, and she was laughing out loud, or he was laughing out loud because she thought it was very funny. I do not have a bowl. I use a pan. Anyway, Anyway, this, I'm so happy to hear you say this. It makes my video much more fun, right? Much more funner. Okay, so we put banana. One is good enough. We just want to get some flavor of it. And then I hope I have enough flour. Got some flour, all-purpose flour. Did you see all-purpose flour? So we put some flour, just some. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Too much will not be good. And egg. Okay. I will put 3 eggs. Anyway. Egg. Egg and sugar. Oh, sorry. Sugar. Vanilla sugar. Vanilla sugar, sucre, vanille, vanilla sugar, and what else? yeast, levure chimique, alsacien, and yeah, I need what else? Some cooking oil. Yes, cooking oil. If I have enough, I hope. Oh yes, hello. Okay, cooking oil and a little bit of juice or yogurt. I put yogurt, my homemade yogurt. Das ist gut. Oh ja, ja. Blend it. The equipment. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. I think I'm oh. I think I'm good. Sugar bag. Let me check about our nuts. It drives me nuts. This is our nuts and it is good. A little toasted, but not totally. So now it's time to laugh at my workspace, which is so tiny. To avoid you laughing at my workspace, I put things away. Do more blending. Should be okay. Come out. Okay. Should be okay. Sorry, I'm pretending to be clean, so it will take some time. A little bit more decent than then not use it. Okay. Still hot. It is hot, and I do not have a glove. I do not have a baking glove, so I need to use paper to take this one out. Quite hot. The pan is quite hot. Put a layer of non-sticky foil. Good enough for me. Good enough. Relative. It's all relative. The pecan on top here and there. That's a lot. That's quite a lot. Un peu décadent. Un peu décadent. That's an improved version of the banana cake I have made. Still hot. Gosh. Now I put it in 350 degrees for 30 minutes or something. Bye bye. See you later, alligator.